Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the 757 Mobile Mechanic. If you're trying to find a vehicle, I understand is extremely hard. There's a lot of people selling high mileage junk vehicles for very extremely high prices. If you are in the 757 area, you can contact our company and we will send a technician out there to give you the thumbs up or thumbs down. We're going to go from the engine to the transmission to all the computers things. We're going to check up under the car. We're going to check visually. We're going to check for any kind of accidents, things that are not lining up because they had an accident and they didn't put it back together correctly. We're going to look at the history of the car and certain things on our machine no one can hide from us. So just call us 757-296-8422 if you're in the Hampton area 757. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.